Welcome to the animal kingdom, a world teeming with life, beauty, and diversity. Mammals. From the savannas to the tundras, mammals show us strength and adaptability. Elephants teach family values. Lions symbolize courage. Birds. The skies come alive with vibrant birds. Peacocks dazzle. Eagles soar, reminding us of freedom. Marine life. The oceans hold wonders. Dolphins, sea turtles, and countless others, each a marvel of nature. Insects. Tiny creatures like ants and bees are nature's silent heroes, sustaining life through their work. Balance of nature. Every animal, predator or prey, contributes to nature's delicate balance. Closing. Let us cherish and protect this tapestry of life for their future and ours. This script can guide you in combining visuals and voiceover for a captivating documentary. Let me know if you'd like more help.